Elevate your bathroom to a new level of luxury with the Kartell KV6 Sliding Shower Enclosure. This sleek 1200 by 800 mm enclosure is perfect for those who value both style and functionality in their corner shower space. The space-saving sliding door design of the KV6 is ideal for small spaces, ensuring it doesn't take up too much room in your bathroom. The frameless side panel and 6 mm thick safety guards create an open, airy atmosphere, turning your everyday shower into a spa-like experience. The durable chrome finish of the shower door adds elegance and ensures long-term durability. Bid farewell to bathroom floor puddles thanks to the superior water containment. With easy access and no more awkward moments getting into or out of the shower, the Kartell KV6 Sliding Shower Enclosure offers convenience and style. Choose the Kartell KV6 Sliding Shower Enclosure for an exceptional bathroom upgrade that effortlessly combines form and function. Discover this and the rest of the Kartell shower enclosures range at bellabathrooms.co.uk.